What would Victoria Harbor be without a Chinese junk? Beautiful. So Barb, we're on the Walk of Stars here, and you just read the name of a very funny film, the first silent film that was shot here in Hong Kong. What was it called?
Stealing the Roast Duck.
What?
Stealing the Roast Duck.
Oh, Stealing the Roast Duck. Okay. What would the Avenue of Stars along the waterfront be without Bruce Lee?
We will take you on a journey of awakening and discovery across the harbour to reveal the beauty and magnificence of Asia's World City, a city that celebrates light and life.
We proudly present the buildings participating in this spectacular light and sound show from east to west.
After the fireworks, we're marching up Nathan Street here, the main street in Kowloon, in a mass of humanity. Apparently there are a few people here in China. It is beautiful. It was a wonderful fireworks. Right, Barb?
Fantastic. The best you've ever seen.
What do you mean the best you've ever seen?
Best fireworks ever.
Stand still.
Love the fireworks.
Okay, good.